Hi, dude. So, for the next part is you always be will be playing these two strings, the first and the second, and in the first one you have to hold 7. So you're gonna do the same as here, the same notes but in different positions. While you do this. So the first part is 7 in the fifth and the sixth open. So you do this, then is 4 in the third, 5th on the third, 7 on the fourth, 4th on the third, 5 on the fourth, 7. And then you change. So slowly would be that's the first part of that section. So for the next is the same. You do the same as the first one. And then how it ends change here is so it would be seven on the fourth, 4 on the fourth, 5 on the fourth, 7 on the fifth, 5 of the fifth, 8 on the sixth, and you end with this chord that is B major. And you do it quickly because you are like, and you have to keep going to the next part after this. So let's do the first part again, but kind of slow. also the guy in the original song, it does something like flamenco technique with this hand. It does like, it's like, I don't do it so well, so maybe you can check in another YouTube video, but it would be something like, you can do it starting with this, but I didn't practice though so much. So for the next part would be starting with this chord. You go if you remember, this is the same part as in the other video in the beginning, that you do. But instead of doing this with only one hit on this chord, on this string, you do twice. So it would be understand? So instead of doing this note, you do, and then 9 on the 4th, 10 on the 4th, 7 on the 4th, 9 again on the 4th, and 9 on the 5th. Do it with this the same fingers as me, because it's the best way to do the chord afterwards. So these two fingers stay in the correct position. And then 9 of the 5th, 7 on the 4th, 9 on the 4th, 10 on the 4th, 12 on the 4th, 9, 10, 7. So that part would be and you do it again, so it's 2 times. After this part, let's do it from the beginning, what we learned until now. Then here the chord is different. You have to do this. It would be 10 on the 5th, you hold, 9 in the 4th, and 12 in the 1st. The other two remain open. So I think this part is quite easier than the last one. You do so it would be 9 on the 4th, 2 times second string open, 10 on the 4th, 12 on the 5th, 9 on the 4th, and 10 on the 5th. and you hit the chord again. So here it change. 12 on the 5th, 9 on the 5th, 10 on the 5th again. So again would be 12 on the 5th, 9 on the 5th, 10 on the 5th, 12 again on the 5th, 9, 10, and then it comes this chord that is quite hard, but let's leave this for the next part, because here is very complex. As you see, I'm not playing that well, and this part is a lot easier than the part that is coming after this. So I will play everything, all these new parts, plus maybe starting from the beginning, so you can see how it connects everything until this point. And that's the, let's say, second section of the song. I will send you the third part in maybe tomorrow. So see you soon, and have a great winter.